Hi, my name is Sean Ryan, a licensed PE and one of the sales engineers with Novatech. I'm going to cover how to load a license file onto your Orion. The license file itself is a glorified text document. Here it's shown on my desktop as orionlx.ntk. Two ways to load a license file, and at first I'm going to show how to load it via the web interface. Open up your web browser, enter your username and password, click Login. You may need to unlock your device as well, so enter a second password if prompted. But click Unlock. And now go to your Files page. Here you can select Files, browse for that license file, select it, click Open, and now it's going to queue the file, and now click Send to actually transfer the file to the Orion itself. That's it. It's going to overwrite the existing orionlx.ntk file, and that's all it takes to load the Keyfile. From here you can click this file to either view it, or come back to System, wait for the tab to load, and down below you can select View Keyfile. For those without IP access to the web interface of the Orion LX, we can connect via serial to the Orion. In my case, an Orion LX CPX, I'm going to connect using a USB cable to the front port A2 or the USB-B type interface. Using NCD, go to Communications, then select Online Connections. Here, click New Connection. I'm going to give it a name of USB. Select Show All. This will show only the available COM ports or valid COM ports. In my case, COM4. Verify that the baud rate is still set to this value. And down below, you can change the colors if you like, but in my case, I'm just going to enlarge the font size for viewability. I'm going to click OK. Again, click OK. And now I have my new connection here of USB. Click Connect. Hit Enter once or twice. Log in using the valid username and password, or in my case, Novatech of device defaults. Go to the File menu by pressing 1 on the keyboard. File transfer from the PC to the Orion, again by pressing 1 on the keyboard. And now I'm going to browse for the file that, again, the key file on my desktop. I'm going to change the NCD files to all files. Here's orionlx.ntk. I'm going to click Open, click OK. It's going to transfer that file, and again, now the key file is loaded.